वेचणुकीच्या काळात काँग्रेस उमेदवारी तिकीट विकता हे आपणे दाखवून दिल्यान काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी अमरनाथ पणजीकार आणि सिद्धनाथ बुन्याव हांणी आपल्याचेर निराधार आरोप केल्यात. आपूण जे उलयलो ते लोकांच्या मनांतल्यो भावना आसा अशें ॲडव्होकेट राधाराव ग्रेशियस सांगता. काँग्रेसीचो वांगडी नासलो तरी आपूण फाटल्या लोकसभा वेचणुकेत काँग्रेसी खातीर रात दीस वावुरला. जर काँग्रेसीक येवपी वेचणूक जिखपाची आसल्यार तांणी गिरीश चोडणकाराक गोंयांतल्या पक्ष नेतृत्वापासून पयस दवरपाक जाय, नाजाल्यार पक्षाचें लुकसाण जातलें अशें ग्रेशियस सांगता. ऐकात.
Press conference because of unnecessary allegations made against me by Congress persons like Siddhanath Bhuyan and Amarjit Panjika. I have been accused of being communal and casteist. When I had pointed out that the Congress has to do away with the perception among the voters that the Congress is selling tickets. This is a public perception. If a Congress MP close to Rahul Gandhi writes such a complaint to the Congress president, it has to be acted upon. When written allegations are made against Girish Chodankar, is it not a duty of the Congress at least to keep him aside instead of making him president of the Goa unit? Now, what this lady MP from Tamil Nadu says is what everybody in Goa says, that there is manipulation, that there is sale of tickets. And otherwise, how do the people sort it, correct it? See, I am not a congressman, but during the last parliamentary elections, I and many of the other anti-Congress people, we worked tirelessly for victory of the Congress. And we worked because we felt that Captain Viriatu was a good candidate. And that's why he was elected. Change can come only if there is an organized, strong opposition. Unfortunately, the Congress, which should have actually been in the forefront, is not doing anything. Now, secondly, Siddhanath Bhuyan, who made allegations against me. Let me see what Siddhanath Bhuyan has done. You see, in the Tamil Nadu assembly elections, the Congress appointed a social media campaign, awarded a contract. The contract was awarded to a company called Ad Bhuyan, headed by Siddhanath Bhuyan. An amount of rupees 4.5 crores has been paid to Ad Bhuyan for the purpose of social media campaign in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Now you tell me, what does Siddhanath Bhuyan know about Tamil Nadu? Is he familiar with art, their culture, their way of life, so that he can launch a social media campaign? Does he have any experience of social media campaign? Or is it a racket involving Girish Chodankar and Siddhanath Bhuyan? I would request the Congress workers in Goa to stand up. If you want to defeat the BJP, please stand up and tell the Congress that this sort of thing will not do. I have read to you only the complaint by Congress MP. I have not said anything. I have pointed out that the Congress has given money to Ad Bhuyan for social media campaign, nothing else. So it is for the Goa people and the Congress workers in particular to question their own party, how they can appoint a man like Girish with such severe allegations from the party MP as their president. And if that is permitted, I am pretty sure next elections come, same process will be repeated and similar candidates will be selected.